You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this town near south of Venice in Italy. If you want to learn more names and useful vocabulary from Italian, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to listen to Chioggia. So let's break down how you could spell it. K-I-O-J-A. C-H in Italian is pronounced like a K. So Chioggia. Double G-I is like a J. So Chioggia. If you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, just say Chioggia, Italy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.